Hi guys, today is a new video about the TikTok application, and today we will show you how to make your TikTok account public. So let's go to the TikTok app, and right now we will show you how to unprivate your account. As you can see, right now we are on our profile page where we have to tap on the three lines icon. Later, let's choose Settings and Privacy option and Privacy. As you can see, as I said, right now our account is private, but to disable it and make it public, let's click on the toggle, which is the first on our privacy settings list. Oops. Yes. Later, let's click on the switch option to confirm these changes. Wait a minute and well done! Right now I'm going to refresh my profile page to save and check all of the changes again. So I need to tap on the three lines button, pick on the settings and privacy, choose privacy, and yes, as you can see, right now the private account option is mostly disabled and I have all of the default public account settings. So if this short tutorial was useful and interesting, don't forget about likes and subscribe to our YouTube and of course TikTok HardReset.Info channels. Bye bye!